There we go. Good morning, Jake. What's up, J-Soul? And there's Fipsy. Fipsy's calling a dump today. There's Jesse. What's up, buddy? Good morning. Fit, where's your membership sticker? Oh, I thought I had a plunger on my head. Yeah, that's when you call a dump. And then we got the royal dump. And then just in case anybody starts popping off, we got the retard juice. Jason will click the join button and just select the $5 membership. It's the juice box, Jesse. Fit, you gotta become a member and get activated. Fipsy, I know, right? Finally, eh? Been waiting for that since the beginning of the week. I paid $5 and you should get it. My whole mentorship is going into private YouTube. Help me keep track of you little peacocks. Oh yeah, you're green love learning, and you got a little ninja beside your sticker. Or you got a little ninja sticker on your name. You in. And I even put a girl Pepe just for you. There you go. Activated. Yeah. You guys are watching history in the making here. Yeah, so if you guys go to my main page, and you'll see the join button. Some people had to do it from a computer. So if you're confused a little bit, the gray shaded area is the new day opening gap. Or sorry, yeah, no. That's not our new day opening gap, or Sibby. Sibby in the daily. And then the quadrants are an inversion fair value gap, so don't get it twisted. I'm just going to use both of them for now, see which one it respects the most. Members only trading, welcome to Pumptown. Hello. And this mic picks up everything. Okay, so we got 5 seconds till the macaroni. Limp. Limp and lame. Oh yeah, fit for business. Gets hen low. So your tape reads are always going to be exclusive to you guys. And that's where the real mentorship is. So all the tape reads are still going to be in the Twitter DM. After a couple months goes by and everybody's, linked up in the YouTube stuff, I'm going to figure out a way how to do this where it's going to be separated tiers, and eventually everything will be on YouTube. But for now, just because anybody could join the $5 one and get mentorship, that's not what's going on here. So for now, the lives are going to be exclusive to the DM, like the PM session tape reads. So the mentorship is going to be, aside from the tape reads in the PM session, is going to be in the members only on YouTube. And then that way I can keep track of who's joined, how long they've joined, and I can tell by which sticker you got how long you've been with me. And so it's just going to make everything just a little bit more streamlined than it was before. Yeah, some these stickers are awesome. Yeah, some of these some people had trouble joining the membership on YouTube. I think it was just on their phone, and then they went to their computer, or because it was a new thing, they might have had to reset their YouTube. Who is gonna be a moderator? That's what I want to know. Pretty sure I'll go with the biker. I hope you're doing good, Jesse. Here we go. You are a mod now. Jesse is members only trading. You've been doxxed, buddy. You're welcome. People be like, why aren't you in a trade? Because I'm not trading today. How do you like that one? I just want to see these candles touch my box, and then we'll figure it out. Just blasted through the bearish tilly here. Bounced right off the bullish breaker. Pew. I was expecting a pump at some point. I couldn't even get into the lower quadrant, or the upper quadrant rather, into that breaker. Kind of lame. Crazy. I think what we were aiming for this yesterday PM session, right? Yeah. Yeah, yesterday we were aiming for this guy. Just barely nicked it. And then earnings freaking took both sides of the market. Me and my wife were just laughing. She had some people in this one group where, you know, the over-opinionated know-it-alls. I just thought it was funny. It's going up, it's going down. You're both wrong. It's going to do both. So I'm just looking at this pool of liquidity that was just tagged. Yeah, there's no excuses anymore. Get your butt up here. What's up, Elliot? Good morning, Satoshi, if that is your real name. So I'm like 150 subscribers away from my next milestone and another 1,000 hours of watch time. So that's pretty cool. Hey, Robbie. What's up, buddy? Yeah, he's doing good. You know what I was just thinking too? My mentees, like Robbie, who left the nest, it's unfortunate that you're not in the Discord anymore, and we miss you, buddy. But I was just, you popping up just gave me a cool idea that you guys can hang around in the mentorship and still get, like, the updates and stuff like that. So Robbie, if you wanted to join the $5 membership on my YouTube, you're welcome to. And for those of you who pack it in, give up on trading, for those of you that decide that trading's not for you, that risk management is just totally out of reach and beyond your capabilities as a person, when you've decided you've had enough and the demons finally TKO you, or if you just don't have it in your life to be in the charts, then you can join my Genius Skills group. And you guys, the high probability setups that I do share, you guys can take them. And it's going to be one a week. And if that one loses, it's going to be 2 a week. So 2 shots. 2 shots to make $1,500 per week. That's a target. Okay, so that's $6,000 per month. And yeah, pretty much when you decide to pack it in, that's the route. And one of the reasons why I made it so expensive is so that you just don't join and give up your trading. That is the absolute last resort. And then if you can't put up $500 to target $6,000 a month, I don't know what to tell you. But the quote unquote signals, or not signals, we'll call it, is not there for people to just give up and use that as their way out, because I don't want to discourage you from learning this stuff. And signals would do that. So if you're wondering why that price is what it is, that's why. Right on, Captain Edge. Never gonna give up. Good morning, Cryptomaniac. I did join. What's up, Mario? Nice. Yeah. Yeah, word up, Robbie. You just kind of like shunned yourself from the whole community. We were all like, what the hell? It's probably your wife, eh? There he is, Robbie. Everybody say hello. Chichi Escobar, hello. For signals, yep. Indy, right on. Still learning in the 99, right on. Right on, man. Can't wait to have you. What's up, Roberto? Yeah, right on, Robbie. For mentorship, Captain Edge, all 99 members have a spot reserved for them, okay? As far as my Twitter friends go, I'm not accepting any more mentees, but I'll always have spot. As long as you're a Discord member, you will always be top priority. As long as you're a lifer. You're still a lifer, right, Captain Edge? He's like, oh my goodness, I better renew my membership. Love you too, buddy. Yeah, Wild Deuces. No, you're a Discord member. We'll have to do eventually. Staz, yeah, buddy. Staz gets deactivated. Yeah, I mean, this is boring as I'd rather watching my nails grow here, and it's more exciting than these candles growing. So when I go to upload a video on YouTube, from that point, it's literally either I share it to the members only. It gives me a little selection, or I can just keep it private and keep it with you guys. It's very important that you guys stay in the Twitter DM. Don't leave it. Finally, the year is shaping up a little positive. Good job. Nice. Good for you, man. Friend, your audio is way better. It's because I'm making out with my microphone. What's up, Brett James? Thank you. Yeah, when I first got my iMac, Love Learning said that my as soon as I was on, she's like, oh my goodness, that's way better. So I just went with it. And doing the test run yesterday, I was like, oh, ooh. This is the best answer we ever got. John Connor, what's up, bro? Good morning. I may or may not get music set up. I'm gonna send myself my first super chat ever. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. What's up, D Shovel? Will you go over BTC? Aw, Jesse, thanks, bro. This is your first super chat on a live ever. That's getting a screenshot. It hasn't been easier without the group, but I'm grateful to be here today and not where I was some time ago. I've learned, but do keep working on my issues. Robbie, not too long ago, we did a backtesting session. Previous 6 weeks, I think it was the beginning of this month, the middle of this month, about a couple weeks ago. And the power of risk management and our model, the 15-minute Matilda, buddy, 17 wins, 1 losses. That wasn't blending Fed folders. That was you sitting on your hands and doing nothing until your model forms with a 3-to-1 R. Think about that, bro. 17 to 1 loss. When I did that, I could feel the butthurt of all the traders still in the 1 minute time frame. Lost. How is this possible? Thanks, guys. You guys are awesome. You know what I mean, buddy? I promise you, man. I promise you. You stick to that 15-minute after liquidity sweep. Dude. It's impossible to lose. It's impossible to be a losing trader if you stick to the plan that you've been given. 8:30 or 9:30 a.m., you're looking for a drop. Or rise, but if we're bullish, we're looking for a drop. You look for your Matilda, you hit it, and you stop being a little baby, and you let it play out. You let risk management do its thing. The outcome of your trade is irrelevant, bro. None of that matters. It doesn't matter if it plays out in your favor or not. The only thing ruining your trade is you doing the Care Bear stare with your big, bright rainbow belly, and that's your kryptonite. So you gotta understand, if you do a 3-to-1 R and you lose half your trades, you're still up. You're still up. You're allowed to lose, Robbie. You are permitted to lose trades. The thing is even if you only won 7 out of those 18 trades, you'd still be up, bro. That's what risk reward does. But it only works if you stick to the model. The Care Bear stare, oh yeah. You'd be doing the Care Bear countdown on that trade, man. 5, 4, 3, and then you just blow up. Boom, and you're done. I'm done with anything else but the Matilda. See? The moderators know. Hey, Fun World, what's up? What's Matilda? Well, you're gonna have to FAFO. You know what I mean? You're gonna have to fun around and find out. Always wanted to send Fren a super chat. Buck nasty. Oh, Joe. Oh, cool. Thanks, bro. There we go. You guys are awesome, man. Thank you. It's Fun World. It's an order block that we play at a specific time. It's part of the mentorship's trading plan. And I'm pretty sure you are a Discord member. So cool. And we're almost at targets. It's been a painful 42 minutes. It's only been 32, no 42. I can count. So we got a few minutes till opening bell. We're just kind of dangling here, but I'm going to take a little break. I did want to make a coffee. Hopefully I can make one by opening bell. I'll see you guys very soon. There we go. Sorry, guys. Thank you very much. Friend making himself coffee on the rig. Yeah, man. And I'm getting better at it, I swear. I got so excited. Somebody, freaking John Connor, is just like, Sam's killing it this morning on the Bitcoin trades. Then he shows up. So awesome. We hung out for like 3 hours last night. There he is. Oh my goodness. Sammy. Oh my goodness. Give me 2 minutes. Oh, Sam's just a really cool guy, you guys. Happy YouTube birthday, friend. Thank you. That's awesome. Thanks, Love Learning. Say his name and he appears. Sam Price. Sam Price. Sam Price. Sammy Price. Oh, that's so awesome. So anyway, we're almost at opening bell here, so we're going to check out our opening range gap, and that's going to be yesterday's New York close to today's open, New York open. So it's void of all Asia and London's trading, kind of like this gap here. So this is what I'll be aiming for today if we're bullish. Now this is where we're trading right now at the bid and the ask here. So that's where I've anchored my fib just for now until that candle opens at 9:30. If we're bullish, I'd like to see it trade down into here or maybe even the quadrant and then run up into our opening range gap here. If we're bearish, I would like to see price open, trade into some degree in this gray shaded area and then back down into the bullish breaker. I have no idea. It's non-farm week, no expectations. I'm not saying, okay, we're going here now, because it's literally a gamble here. It does look like we're going to go up, but if I was going to call any direction, I would say up. Even though freaking it's been only up. And we're almost in our shaded box we were aiming for here. So tomorrow, Thursday, unemployment claims, we've got a bullish order block right here, packing heat. So this could launch us right into that candle with no wick. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you, Diesel. No, I'm not a crypto guy, Elliot. Like, I trade BTC because it's obvious and it's pretty cool. It moves nicely for the most part. But I'm not really a crypto trader. I hold crypto long term, don't get me wrong. But Sam's your man. You want crypto stuff, go to Sam. He's just got it dialed in, that's all I can tell you. I was born in the Forex market. Oh yeah. Nailed it. Ooh, we got less than 30 seconds. You guys excited yet? NQ, baby. That's funny, my son's middle name is Q. Just cue. 10 seconds. So now I'm just going to grab that fib from the opening range gap and just adjust it so we can find precision. There it is. I know it's really messy. This is the daily order block here. So we could come back down for that. Wow, that is a limp opening. Look at how it touched our shaded area. Oh, that is weak. Your method works in any markets for the most part. Yeah, you gotta allow some coloring outside the lines with crypto and order blocks and stuff, but the candlestick's power 3 is the same. Open, high, low, and close. So that's displacement right there. So I'm definitely looking at the opening range gap, consequent encroachment here. And this little baby breaker here, how does it treat it? I would like to see price rush for this candle's low here. Speed, distance. So our premium fair value gap is right here. This is our bearish breaker. Could be our breakaway gap. Now, when and if we get into that level here, how does it treat it? That's going to be very telling. This is a bullish order block. I don't know if it's going to get blown out again. I have no expectations. We'll just see how she treats it. A little, just tiniest little fair value gap in there. It still counts. Honestly, this opens pretty weak. First 10 seconds of the open, you can tell if there's violence. And then your opening range from 9:30 to 10 a.m. will give you a lot of insight on what you're going to see materialize for the rest of the day. So just the same with a bullish environment. If you're bearish, you want to see this up close candle blown out immediately. Boop. So how does it treat that? Oh, one more tick. It's not good enough. So how does it treat it? Does it run this box right out and start running for this sell side liquidity pool, or does it get rejected and run for our fair value gap up here? That so far is a rejection. However, this up close candle needs to be blasted through. Just like that, but harder. 35 seconds. Can we close above this down close candle? It's all about the close. 20 seconds. Didn't close above half. Could see some more downside. Ooh, there we go. So it just touched that tiny little fair value gap in the breaker. That's a little baby unicorn. Got relative equal lows right here. And just in case, so if this is the bearish money printer, it's going to tank from here. I can't stress it enough. I'm not trading. So we just made a bullish order block right here. So I want to see how we treat this candle. If we're bullish, price is going to want to bust through this real hard. And it looks like it is. In between a bullish order block here and this bearish breaker. We need to see proof. Is this Master Fren from Crypto Lifer Lives? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Scottish Crypto. This is Master Fren. How you doing, buddy? See, and this is where y'all are tilting. So we just came down for this fair value gap here and found sensitivity. Sweet. So we got 5 minutes, 43 seconds for this candle to close its cycle, and it hasn't done anything. You see how this 15-minute candle has not trended? Gee, I wonder why. So this bearish order block here in the 5 minute is our bearish breaker. In the 1 minute, We're dancing with that right now. So we got our snap through the bearish breaker and slapped up into our fair value gap. Now this is, if you were bearish, this would be your sell short signal. And that'd be you getting stopped out. Bam. This is where everybody's going tilt. They just can't wait for the setup. They think it's going to run off without them. It's just going to do something magical without you seeing it. Well, you should be able to see that order block. You should be able to see that order block here. Right? I know, it's the 1 minute. It's cool. Alright, so we didn't even get into the quadrant of that opening range gap and ran into our daily SIBI. So now that we're in here, I want to see, this is that inversion fair value gap. This is just the fair value gap. Okay, so I want to see which one it respects. So far it's this one. Michael Hodge, we gotta get you a signature saying phrase or intro. And you guys are funny. I'm not going hardcore with this. I hope you guys realize that. Bro, Brett James, I would tell you right now, I have no idea. Okay, I don't even think there's going to be a Judas. I think today's going to be a type 2 bullish delayed protraction profile, to be honest with you. I don't think we're going to get a Judas today. And again, if like I was looking at yesterday when we pumped out of London's gate, if Asia makes the low for the day, you guys, yeah, you got 3 days of just mad bullishness coming out of that. So we'll play it like we did yesterday. Have an expectation, and if they're not met, then we'll recalibrate. I like that. I like that rejection off of this inversion fair value gap, so we'll use that and not the SIBI. So now we're measuring order flow, and we want to see these things alive. We want to see these things stay alive. So we got what, a couple minutes left. Holy ruthless. So that's an inversion fair value gap, or no, it's a balanced range. My goodness, look at that. You see how this fair value gap isn't holding, you guys? That's not signature. Well, that is a signature that it's not going to do what you want it to do. It's not going to be nice. We called it right from when I opened the live. I said, look at how ugly these candles are. London pumps, New York is a butt nose. So we have tagged that inversion fair value gap and found sensitivity. So if we take out this swing low right here, it's the only one in the lot here. That will be our shift in structure. And then we'll look for another fair value gap, which is right there. And that's a little better. That's some nice movement. Nice. So I've got the low of that candle marked off, but he looks like he's got a tail. Just the littlest guy, maybe. Bam, new 15-minute candle. So we got bearish order block right now. So I will be looking for it to dump from right there. Right there. One of those two. So I'll be looking for my model in the 1 minute now that we're in those areas. Right, Robbie? See, there's no market structure shift yet, so don't get too hopped up on these fair value gaps yet. This does look solid, though. What time is it? 46. Now, if this thing starts ripping up for this high, I'm shutting her down. And the reason why is it's showing me that it's not wanting to trend. So we got this swing low here just created. We can use that one. Ooh, no tails on these candles either. Nice. 15 seconds. I want to see it run this candle out here on the very next candle. Open high, slam down. That's our bearish Tilly here. So we are now in the bearish order block. Does it railroad it? If it railroads it, I'm out. Like, I'm done. This is where it becomes annoying. This is when you start tilting. This is when you lose a trade and you gotta quit. If we railroad this order block here. It's probably the best thing I could ever teach you. Is how to quit. See, we should already be down in this guy here. Should be. On any other day, and you guys have seen this. Ride up, hit our higher time frame array. Bearish order block, confirmed. This guy touches and then slams down. It's just not doing it. Let's see. So we got a gaprous candle of 33 ticks. It's no big deal. To half that wick there is 111 ticks. It's not bad. Crypto Crusader. There you are. What's up, buddy? Friend, is this Judas today? Yeah, no idea. Was that a trick question? No trading, non-farmer, CPI, PPI, or unemployment? Unemployment's fine. You see, Robbie, you only did 6 months with me. There's so much more to go through their next 6 months. You know, a year is really what I demand from you. And there's a lot more for me to go through with you in that next in the second series of 6 months. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, little buddy. I know your wife's probably sick of me already anyway. right, well, 9:50 a.m. Again, no expectations for the day. Maybe we come back down for this opening range gap, midway point. Maybe we don't. I don't like trying to tell you guys where prices going on days like today. Okay, when I can make a case for it going both ways, that's not framing a high probability setup. That is low probability conditions. All right, thank you guys for joining with me today. It was such a blessing getting all this set up and having all this go down. You guys are a blessing. Thank you so much for being a part of this with me. We'll see you guys very soon. Have a great day.